Hey guys, this is Style once again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to make a kimchi fried rice. But before we start, I just want to show you the ingredients, so stay tuned. So here's our ingredients. Of course, we have the kimchi, we have the roasted sesame seeds, we have the chopped green onions, fresh cooked rice, vegetable oil, chili paste, sesame oil, shredded or chopped seaweed leaves, and of course we have this kimchi juice. So let's get started. So first, chop muna natin yung kimchi. And you can use the juice later. So, ganito lang yung pag-chop natin ng kimchi. Yes, like that. Para maganda tingnan mamaya sa rice natin. And next, yung i-heat na natin yung kawali natin at lagyan natin ng cooking oil. Vegetable oil. I'm using vegetable oil. And next ay idagdag na natin yung chopped kimchi natin kanina. And please guys, don't overcook the kimchi because it just ruins the flavor and the taste. At saka magda-dry yung kimchi natin. And stir a little bit. And just leave to cook for 1 minute. Ganyan lang siya. Mix lang natin. Tsaka in a medium heat dahil baka masunog naman yung kimchi natin. And after 1 minute, pwede na tayo magdagdag ng kanin. So next, idagdag na natin yung kanin natin. Madalian lang kasi ito guys kasi luto na yung rice natin. Tapos maganda talaga na gumamit ka ng bagong saing na kanin para madali at saka yung pag-mix ng mga ingredients is madali lang siya mag-mix dun sa rice pati yung color. And after that, idagdag na rin natin yung kimchi juice natin dun sa rice. Nice, like that. And just give a quick stir or just quick turn. Just mix it slowly guys kasi para hindi madurog yung rice natin. And next, nagdagdag tayo ng chili paste. I added 2 tablespoons of chili paste because gusto ko maanghang yung kimchi fried rice ko. So, it's up to you guys kung ayaw nyo ng maanghang. So, konti lang idagdag nyo or you can add some chili paste para sa additional color. And, nagdagdag din tayo ng water para maging juicy at saka hindi masunog yung rice natin. Parang sarap siya. Grabe ang aroma ng kimchi. So, amoy pa lang, nakakagutom na siya. Parang, kompleto na siya with ulam niya. So, there you go. Okay na yung ating fried rice. Just turn off the heat. And just spray a little bit of sesame oil. Ganyan na siya guys. Para magdagdag ng flavor at aroma doon sa rice natin. And now, it's time for garnishing. There you go. Super yummy. I'm so excited na. And pwede na natin i-add yung ating mga garnishing like our chopped green onions, and our sesame seeds. And likewise with our seaweed, chopped seaweed leaves. And there you go, our kimchi fried rice is ready to serve. And this, guys, these 3 cups of fried rice, kimchi fried rice is good for 3 or 4 people. And I know, and I'm sure you will gonna love it. And this is our kimchi fried rice. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope that you'll enjoy. And thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.